For car repairs and servicing in Warrington, come to GM Autos. We have factory-trained technicians with over 32 years of experience. Formerly specialising in Vauxhalls and trading as just Vauxhalls, we now are able to cover all makes and models, offering an efficient and prompt service including engine work, MOT preparation and repairs. We can also provide the latest diagnostic equipment and a massive stock of new parts for Vauxhalls. Call us on 01925 655 988.